Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell cryptocurrency on the Delta Exchange app. Delta Exchange is a cryptocurrency trading platform that allows users to trade digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum using future and other derivatives. Through the Delta Exchange app, you can easily buy or sell the cryptocurrencies and manage your trades directly from your iPhone. So selling cryptocurrency is useful when you want to take profit, reduce loss, or convert your crypto into another asset. First, open your Delta Exchange app on your device and make sure to unlock your phone and open the Delta Exchange app and make sure to log into your registered email and password or your Face ID as well. Under this section, you need to go to this trade on the bottom over here and you need to navigate in the top. There's a buy or long and just beside it we can find this sell short. Click on this sell or short and market order sells your crypto instantly at the current market price, and limit orders allows you to set the price at which you want to sell. Over here, now go to this market and you can set your order type as well. As I'm going to select this market here, you can also choose your BTC, USDT as well. As I'm going to select USDT under here, and you need to verify to trade, and you can now sell or short over here. And selling cryptocurrency on the Delta Exchange app is quick and straightforward by opening the trading section, selecting a trading pair and choosing an order type. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to sell cryptocurrency on Delta Exchange app. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.